With the first quarter of 2026 just about done, here are 5 fascinating, less talked about stocks to talk about. Let's begin with safety first, as SEALSQ keeps preparing digital infrastructure for the future impact of quantum computing. It's directing attention at potential threats to current cryptographic systems, such as RSA and elliptic curve encryption, which underpin blockchain and digital transactions. While breaking systems like Bitcoin would theoretically require only thousands of qubits, practical limitations mean that millions or even billions of qubits would be necessary, making the threat not immediate, but increasingly plausible over time. In response, SEALSQ is proactively integrating post-quantum cryptography into both hardware and software systems. This includes adopting advanced algorithms like Crystal's Kyber and Crystal's dilithium, which are designed to resist quantum attacks. SEALSQ embeds these quantum-resistant technologies directly into secure hardware components, such as chips and trusted platform modules, ensuring that cryptographic keys are safely generated, stored, and protected from tampering or extraction. By anchoring blockchain security in hardware, SEALSQ reduces risks from cyber attacks and future quantum decryption. It also enhances transaction integrity by incorporating post-quantum digital signatures and upgrading public key infrastructure systems to support quantum-safe authentication. SEAL's collaboration with a Swiss blockchain platform integrates technologies like multi-party computation and zero-knowledge proofs to enable secure, private, and auditable financial transactions. Through its SEALcoin initiative, it's building a decentralized infrastructure where devices and AI systems can securely transact and interact autonomously across industries such as energy, mobility, and communications. This system is also being deployed in satellite networks, enabling secure data exchange and transactions in space environments. Additional platforms focus on decentralized digital identity, secured with quantum-resistant methods, while satellite infrastructure incorporates secure boot processes and encrypted communications to ensure trust across ground-to-space systems. In the quest for more clean energy Technologies highlights its participation in a major California bioenergy conference, where it engaged with stakeholders to explore new waste-to-energy projects. It operates in a sector experiencing rising demand as governments and industries seek sustainable ways to convert organic waste into renewable energy, including electricity, biogas, hydrogen, and low-carbon fuels. Discussions at the event generated multiple potential project opportunities, some of which are expected to move toward feasibility studies and commercial development. Clean energy technologies. Strategy focuses on building a pipeline of distributed energy projects that transform waste streams into valuable energy resources. Collaborating with municipalities, agricultural operators, and private developers helps deploy scalable solutions that support landfill diversion and methane reduction. Its technologies span waste heat recovery systems and thermochemical conversion processes that can generate electricity and biochar from various waste inputs. A perfect fit for California's policy environment and emphasis on circular energy systems, leading clean energy technologies to anticipate ongoing discussions from the conference to lead to partnerships and project execution in the near future. Now over to ARM Holdings, which is reportedly preparing to shift its long-standing business model by launching its own full chiplet-based CPU products, rather than focusing solely on licensing its designs. This move could significantly expand its revenue potential by allowing it to capture more value per chip and compete directly in the growing market for AI and advanced computing processors, which is projected to reach tens of billions of dollars by 2030. However, the transition will take time, with meaningful commercial impact likely several years away. In the short term, ARM faces headwinds from declining smartphone sales, which currently generate a large portion of its revenue, as well as increased competition in an already crowded CPU market. There is also a risk that ARM could end up competing with its own customers, who license its technology to build their own chips. In the candy aisle, Hershey is undergoing a similar seismic shift meant to unify its diverse snack portfolio under a single organizational framework. It's combining its confectionery, salty snack, and protein product lines to create a more integrated business model. This initiative is designed to improve efficiency, strengthen brand connections, and accelerate growth by leveraging the strengths of each segment. The restructuring comes as Hershey continues to expand beyond its traditional sweets business into categories like popcorn, pretzels, and other snacks through acquisitions. Leadership changes accompany this shift, with key executives taking on expanded roles to oversee the integrated portfolio and global brand strategy. Hershey believes that aligning its operations will enable it to respond more effectively to changing consumer preferences and market conditions, particularly rising cocoa costs and weaker consumer spending. Next, it's off to the clinic after Biomerica reported a significant commercial milestone with its first European order for its HP Detect diagnostic test, which identifies Helicobacter pylori infections. The order comes from a major clinical laboratory network and is expected to lead to recurring demand as the test becomes part of routine diagnostic workflows, opening up opportunities for broader expansion across European and U.S. markets. The opportunity is substantial due to the high prevalence of H. pylori infections, which affect nearly half the population in major European countries and are a leading risk factor for gastric cancer. The bacterium is also recognized as a major antibiotic-resistant threat, increasing the need for accurate diagnostics. With established clinical guidelines recommending testing in symptomatic patients, Biomerica sees strong, ongoing demand for its product. To keep an eye on Biomerica and all these stocks in an organized way, use TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.